Hello, my name is Abir. I'm a senior scientist with EasyM. EasyM is a blood-based mass spectrometry MRD test. MRD test is a minimal residual disease. We look at the residual disease that is left in the blood after treatment. We have two posters here at EHA. The first one is today. It aims to compare EasyM with Accent. Accent is another mass spectrometry assay. While both are mass spectrometry assays, EasyM is a clonotypic assay. Accent is an intact light chain assay. The study found that both assays compare very well and they correlate very well when M protein is detected by both assays. However, EasyM shows superior sensitivity. The other poster is tomorrow. The aim of this poster is to evaluate the M protein kinetics post-CAR T therapy and to compare with bone marrow based MRD tests. And the results for this study will be published at ASH 2026. And just to let you know, EasyM is available for patients in Canada and in the US.